Okay, so you're rocking your weight loss journey and then bam, you hit a wall, right? You hit that plateau and it can be so frustrating because you don't understand why all of a sudden you're going through seemingly smooth sailing and then all of a sudden it just comes to a screeching halt, right? And that plateau can sometimes be very demotivating, can be very discouraging. And so if you find that you're hitting a weight loss plateau, then I'm here to tell you exactly how you can overcome that so that you get consistent weight loss results and you're constantly never hitting this plateau. In fact, you're just consistently losing weight over and over again. Plateaus are not needed. This helped me lose 94 pounds in just 11 months, and I've kept it off for over 8 years. So listen up, Buttercup, because this is exactly how you're going to prevent those plateaus, okay? So the reason why plateaus typically happen are because at some point in time, your body becomes adjusted to your new lifestyle, right? So whether you're doing low carb, low calorie, maybe fat-free, sugar-free, or maybe you're on a diet, at some point that your body makes the adjustments to your new lifestyle, and now it becomes just like your old lifestyle, right? And it starts to get used to it and starts to adapt. And when that happens, this is why sometimes your weight loss progress can stall. Okay, so what you want to do is maybe once a month, once every 2 months, is you want to shake things up a little bit, right? You want basically to have your body keep adjusting. It's constantly adjusting because when that happens, it doesn't get used to anything. So by shaking things up, I don't mean going, ham and just having a complete cheat day, like not like the food won't be there tomorrow. What I mean is just shake a couple things up. Maybe have a splurge meal. I don't like the term cheat days, but maybe just have a meal of your choice on one day, right? Because you're shaking things up. So instead of doing low carb, maybe you do a regular high carb meal and that's all you do for that day. When you do that, it's going to allow your body to continue to, yes, it may take you out of ketosis, okay? But it doesn't matter because 2 days later, you're right back in. So that's one thing you can do. The other thing you can do is maybe weave in some intermittent fasting. If you're already doing intermittent fasting, then again, shake that up. So if you're not doing intermittent fasting, then maybe you add that in for a little bit and then you can go right back to whatever lifestyle that you're creating for your weight loss journey, okay? And if you are doing intermittent fasting, then stop doing intermittent fasting for a couple days because again, this is all just shaking things up. Okay, if you do one of these two things, I can guarantee you will prevent the plateaus, you will prevent the stalls in your weight loss, and you will get consistent weight loss results, which will also at the same time keep you motivated, keep you pumped, keep you excited, and keep you moving forward. All right, so implement these two. I also have some free gifts. You can click the link in the bio. Make sure you hit that notification button, subscribe to my channel, because I'm constantly going to be giving you more weight loss tips because I'm here to support you because we are stronger together.